everyone, my name is Charles Justin M. Amahan. I'm grade 7 and I'm from Brilliant section. And today I'm gonna cook a Filipino hot cake. And these are the ingredients. So, our first ingredient is 1 cup all-purpose flour. The next thing is 1/4 teaspoon salt. And the next is 1 teaspoon baking powder. In 1 medium bowl, mix flour, baking powder, and salt, and then sugar, and then add milk, and then egg. And vegetable oil they are all combined. And next is add yellow food coloring. And the next thing is get 1/4 cup of butter and then skillet it to your... Okay, and the next thing is you mix all your ingredients. Thing is to heat the pan and then wait for a bit. And with a little of butter. And then get 1/4 cup of your butter and then put it to the pan. Then wait for 30 seconds and flip the butter. And then wait for 30 seconds again.
Go.
Okay, so after 30 seconds of each sides, the Filipino hot cake is done. And then the last step is to the Filipino hot cake, each side. The next thing is to dust the Filipino hot cake with a bit of sugar.
Dun 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 dun.